Hey everyone, it's Blair from Virtual Cockpit for Advanced Diagnostics. Today I'm on a 2016 Volkswagen Passat, and they broke the blade off their key. So I made a new blade and I'm going to make a new key. In a lot of instances people would probably clone, but if you're using the Advanced Diagnostics Smart Pro, it's very simple to add a key if you have a working key. We're going to connect here to the immobilizer. We're going to do a couple of side hand things here. Got to figure out a way to keep that key up there. It's broken. Connect. And we're going to hit program keys. And it's going to ask if we have a working key. Of course we do. Okay. All right, and our cluster went dark, very normal. It takes a couple of seconds for it to be out, and I'll tune you in on the next video here. Okay, all the information was verified, and you might want to take a screenshot of that. That shows your component securities, CS, shows the VIN and all that. And it's going to tell you that only registers new unlocked keys or previously registered working keys. Continue yes. And in this case, we're going to hit no because we just want to add. And then we're just going to hit one for the one that we're adding. It's not going to erase the other keys out of the system. All right, we're going to turn the ignition off. And then we're going to put our new key that we have not pre-coded, by the way. We have not pre-coded that. And 3-3. And there it shows 3-3. And we're going to start it. And that's pretty slick. It writes the component security right to the key using the immobilizer antenna in the car. Although, just to be on the safe side, I did bring out my new Smart Aerial Plus, which is a pretty cool tool. So once again, this is Blair from Virtual Cockpit for Advanced Diagnostics. Thanks. I knew I totally forgot something. So it's a good idea when you get that component security to take a picture of it. You know, it's going to show you the VIN, the CS, the PIN, all that good stuff. Record it, and then later on when you get the time, well, what I do is I have folders on my laptops, you know, by make, and I create individual folders inside of that for cars. So I'll have a notepad for this car, which will have the VIN, the key code, the PIN, the CS, all that stuff. If I ever get a call for a Passat, you know, I just search, it's going to pop up. You know, if I made the key before, and I just pre-code a you know, new chip, hook up the car, and plug a pin in and get that car started right away. And that's happened way more than once, I can tell you. So once again, it's Blair from Virtual Cockpit. Thanks.